guys, happy Thursday. Okay, what I did today, I made beef burger. Okay, so ground beef, black pepper, okay, cloves of garlic, 1 clove of garlic, okay, onions, don't forget the onions, okay, guys mo silang lahat, umami, seasoning, salt, okay, and then, of course, yan, pwede mo siyang gawing burger. Gawing burger, maraming saktong cheese. Ayan, yan ang burger ko. Kasi iba po yung burger, tapos cheese, tapos loaf bread, soft bread. Okay, sinamahan ko siya lang, of course, siya lang, cream of mushroom. So, pag medyo, alam mo yun, sobrang tuyo yung, yung beef burger patties mo, okay, maglagay ka ng sauce. Kumbaga, yung gravy sauce na is yung mushroom soup. Cream of mushroom by Lord. Okay, so I got this from Alphamart. Okay, which is ground beef. Okay, so ginawa ko siyang burger patties. You can pair it with white rice, steamed white rice, or tinapay with cheese. Okay. So, there you go, guys. Okay, happy Thursday. Okay, medyo makulimlim. Don't forget to eat. Okay, alam nyo ba na ang nourishment ng isang tao, maganda ang effect ng pagkain ng tamang meat. Okay, sa beef is a good protein according to doctors. Okay, compared to pork, mas maganda daw ang beef. Okay, mas masustansya siya. It's a source of good protein. Okay, beautiful. Nourishing Thursday. Kain tayo.